My dear students, today I am going to teach you on the topic integrated disease management in pigeon pea. So let us start. Here you see that the yield gap in pigeon pea at national level. In frontline demonstration, its yield is 1142 kg per hectare, whereas a state average yield is 833 kg per hectare. And actual yield in farmership field is 309 kg per hectare. So yield gap is about 37.1%, which is huge one. That's we have to reduce. Whereas in Madhya Pradesh, frontline demonstration yield of pigeon pea is 1159 kg per hectare, whereas actual farmer's yield is 527 kg per hectare. The reason for yield gap in pigeon pea in India is first ecological factor, inadequate supply of quality seed to farmers, climate change, lack of appropriate production technology, less thrust on basic research, socio-economic constraint, poor transfer of technology, biotic and abiotic stresses, and lastly poor post-harvest technology. Out of these 9 constraints, I am going to discuss you about the abiotic and biotic stresses. Biotic stresses means disease caused by biotic agent, whereas abiotic stresses means disease caused by abiotic strains or stress. So these biotic stresses and abiotic stresses causes huge yield losses in pigeon pea. Now I am coming to the status of major diseases of pigeon pea in India. There are two types of diseases in pigeon pea. One is of national significance and other is of regional significance. The diseases of national significance are wilt, Phytophthora blight, and sterility mosaic, which is found in moderately to severe form in Bihar, UP, Jharkhand, Gujarat, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh. Whereas diseases of regional significance in pigeon pea are yellow mosaic, dry root rot, root knot. These are also found in moderate to high form in Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Odisha, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Delhi. These two diseases of national and regional significance causes about 10 to 30% loss in pigeon pea. The first important disease of pigeon pea is Phytophthora blight, caused by Phytophthora drexleri S. species kajani. The losses due to this disease is 5 to 10%. The diagnostic symptoms are presence of purple to dark brown lesion, girdle at the basal portion of the stem, and latter may occur on aerial parts. Initial lesions are small and smooth, later enlarged and slightly depressed. Infected tissue becomes soft and whole plants dies. Infected bark becomes brown and tissue soften, causing plant to collapse. The symptom of this disease resemble with wilt. However, both can be differentiated as the leaves of the plant affected by wilt turn brown before drying, while those of blight are light green with upward rolling followed by rapid drying. Frequent blackening of xylem vessels in wilt, not in blight. The second important disease is Fusarium wilt caused by Fusarium odum. The diagnostic symptom of this disease is patches of dead plants are observed in the field when the crop is in flowering or podding stage. It is the first indication of wilt. The most characteristic symptom is a purple band extending upward from the base of the main stem. Partial wilting of the plant is a definite indication of Fusarium wilt, distinguishes this disease from termite damage. The other characteristic system of build is browning of the stem tissue in the region of purple band and browning or blackening of the xylem visible when main stem or primary branches are split open. Sometimes branches dry even if there is no band on the main stem. Third important disease of pigeon pea is sterility mosaic caused by virus. The diagnostic symptoms of this disease is the affected plant are green with excessive vegetative growth but with no flower or pods. That's why it is known as green plague. SMD affected plants show characteristic mosaic symptom with initial appear as vein clearing on the leaves. The leaves are small and show a light and dark green mosaic patches. In the field, the disease can be easily identified from a distance as a patches of bushy pale green plants without flower or pod. The next important disease of pigeon pea is Alternaria blight caused by Alternaria tenuissima. The symptom appears on all aerial parts of the plants. Symptoms on leaves are small, circular, necrotic spots that develop quickly, forming typical concentric ring. Later, these spots college and cause blighting of leaves. The spots are initially light brown and later turn dark brown. On stem, spots are sunken with concentric rings. In severe infection, defoliation and drying texture. The next important disease of pigeon pea is sterility yellow mosaic. The yellow mosaic is caused by a virus known as mung bean yellow mosaic virus. The diagnostic symptoms are aerial plants are conspicuous in the field because of green and golden yellow mosaic mottle symptom on their leaves. Sometimes the affected plants of the leaves become necrotic. Diseased plants are usually scattered in the field and may produce fewer pods than normal, especially when infected earlier. So in this video, I have discussed about the yield gap in pigeon pea, reason for yield gap, a status of major diseases of pigeon pea, diagnostic symptom of the most of the diseases that occurs in pigeon pea, and the management aspect, that is integrated disease management of pigeon pea, will be discussed in my second lecture or second video lecture of IDM. Thank you.